In 1999, on September 13th and 14th, Hurricane Floyd lashed out at the Bahamas with 155-mile-an-hour winds. It has been reported that some waves reached up to 50 feet in height, along with a storm surge of 15 feet. The high winds and waves toppled power and communication lines and severely disrupted electricity and telephone service for days. Damage was greatest at Abaco Island, Cat Island, San Salvador Island, and Eleuthera Island, where Floyd uprooted trees and destroyed a significant number of houses, restaurants, hotels, shops, and resorts. One of the resorts that was destroyed by Floyd was Club Med Eleuthera. Before the hurricane, Club Med Eleuthera was a luxurious resort on French Leave Beach that was built in the 1960s. With its pink sand, crystal clear blue waters, and swaying casuarina and palm trees, people would say French Leave was one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Because the resort endured such significant damage from the storm and the resort was already experiencing financial difficulties, the corporation used the insurance check to pay off some of its bills, and the resort was never rebuilt. Over the years, the resort has been left to decay to almost nothing. Our walkthrough video will show what little remains of Club Med's former glory.
A what?
Spider web. I almost walked right into it.
Was this like a resort or something?
Yep. crab feet at Club Med. Is this a pool, the caretaker's house or something? So is this the caretaker's house or something? A what?
There's all sorts of checks here. Food checks too, like how much? They're all already. Hot cake limited, hot point.
Let me see one.
Hold on, I'm putting them all right here if you want to take a picture.
I'm surprised they're in such good shape.
Okay, one more. There are checks that have been like cleared already that got sent back in their statement.
Oh, this must be the where they pay room.
This is the layout. Right here. Yeah, it must be like an office where they check in at.
How vain the quest for profit is.
This must have been like the common area.
So, ooh.
I saw that.
$1,1362 check. What's over there?
Just like invoices and bills. 2006 is what. What year was this destroyed?
I thought it was destroyed in 1999.
No. There's things over here that say 2006.
Maybe it was a Navy base that was destroyed in 1999. Ooh, watch your feet, people.
Watch for that.
Yeah, weren't wet.
Oh, them hornets that eat tarantulas. That's what that is.
Really?
Where are the tarantulas?
Because the horns ate them.
I'd like to get over.
Yeah, to see that blue and